Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to a Samsung Smart TV. First, let's ensure everything is ready for a smooth connection. Make sure your Sony headphones have sufficient battery life, perhaps at least 50% charged, to avoid interruptions. Also, confirm your Samsung Smart TV is powered on and functioning correctly. Keeping both devices relatively close, within about 1 meter, will help establish a strong initial Bluetooth signal for pairing. Now, let's get your Sony headphones ready to be discovered. Find the power or Bluetooth button on your specific headphone model. Typically, you'll need to press and hold this button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds. You'll know they are in pairing mode when an indicator light, usually blue or white, begins to flash rapidly. This flashing light signals that your headphones are actively searching for a device to connect with. Next, we'll connect through your Samsung Smart TV. Using your TV remote, go to the main settings menu. From there, navigate to the sound or audio output section. You should then see an option like Bluetooth speaker list or wireless speaker manager. Select this, and your TV will begin searching for available devices. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list, select them to establish the connection. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, try turning both your Sony headphones and your Samsung Smart TV completely off and then back on again. Also, ensure your headphones aren't already connected to another device, like a phone or tablet. Sometimes, checking for and installing any available software updates for both your TV and headphones can resolve connectivity problems, ensuring a smooth audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.